and this training is on how to add new blog posts, new news or blogs to your website, or how to update them. First, you'll go to your website /wp-admin, and you will see a page similar to this. You'll put in your username and password, and if you can't remember it or can't find it, email me and I'll send it to you. So put in username, password. You can click remember me if you want, and then log in, and then look on the left-hand side. It will probably look a lot like this. You might have less options, but I believe that everyone that is listening to this video has full admin status. You really only want to go to the posts and the pages and not click on the other things. It would be good to contact my team if you need some of the other things updated. So we're going to go down and click on posts and then all posts. Now you can also skip to just add new if you were going to add a new post, but for now we're going to click on all posts, and then you can scroll down and you can see the posts that have already happened, have already been published. We're going to click edit, and we've put a plugin on the blog posts so that they're much easier to edit and to create new blog posts than your pages. The pages are a little bit more complicated. You can watch the other video for that, but the blog posts I think you'll find more easy, and that's mostly what you're going to be hopefully going to be accessing, is adding new blog posts. So I clicked on this particular blog post, and then right now I see some code, so that's not as familiar or friendly. Look over where my mouse is and click on visual, so that you're not looking at the text, you're looking at the visual. Now it looks a little bit more user-friendly. This looks a lot like your computer, and you can just hover over what you want to change, and then just like a computer. So I change SEO to search engine optimization. Then if I want to keep that change, I'll click over here, the blue button, update, and that will make my change. Then scrolling down, maybe I want to change the featured image. So I'm just going to remove it, or maybe I forgot to put a featured image. Then you scroll down to featured image, select set featured image, and hopefully you had a picture from the blog post. Then you add it in, and then you're going to scroll back up and click update. So I'm not going to click update because I don't want to change the blog post, and I'm just going to click in the arrow. So sometimes, and it didn't do that, sometimes it'll warn me. It'll say, are you sure you want to leave that page? Are you sure you don't want to update the page? So I click away. Okay, let's add a new blog post. So add new. And this is, I'm just going to call it under new blog post, add, let's see, new blog post. So that's my title. Then scroll down, and in here, here is the text or the content for my new blog post. And then content. Okay, but I like this to be more bold, to show up more. And let's see, I want to add a link. So my blog post, I'm going to hover over this and then click on this anchor, and then I can put in a link. You want that particular section to go somewhere. So I'll just put in the website and then click the arrow. So now this will be a clickable link on your website. Let's see, I showed you bold. You can make it italicized. You can change the color. See right here, text color to red. I just changed the color. Now let's add a picture. So you decide where you want the picture. Maybe it's off to the right. If you want the picture at the very top in the featured area, I'll show you that at the end. But let's just say you want a picture off to the right. So we're going to add media. And then you would click either anything in your media library where you would choose a picture that you already have, or you would click Upload Files, click Select Files, and then it's going to open up your computer and you can choose a photo that you want to load. So for, well, here, I'll just go to my download or here photos. So this is one of my clients. I'm going to choose this photo, click on it, open, and it's going to upload. Just take a few moments to upload to the computer. And I'll go ahead and teach you how to optimize your blog post too. If you want to end the video now, all you do is click publish and your blog is published. But if you would like for it to do better in the search engines, then take these few extra steps to optimize your blog post. So ideally you want 350 to 400 words. You would want to include an image, a picture. The picture needs to be at least 200 by 200 pixels and to show up in social media. So it looks like there was something wrong with the uploading. So we're just going to go with one of the photos I already have just to keep this training going. So this particular picture, alt text says SEO. Let's just change this to top SEO provider in Charlotte. So alt text, that's what the little search engine spiders reads. We want to make sure that you fill in the alt text. Title, you could make it the same thing. Caption, I would not put anything in there unless you want words to appear under your picture. Description, same thing. And I want the picture to appear on the right. I do not want it to be clickable. If you wanted to post a special offer, maybe a monthly special or whatever, then you could click on have it, your picture clickable to custom URL. And then maybe you could put www.yourwebsite/specials, whatever that is. Let's see, yourwebsite.com/specials. So whatever is your specials page, you could have that particular picture click to the specials page. Then insert into the post, and then here's your picture, and it is clickable, and it will go to the special. So I think that's a little big, and I'm just going to drag it and make it smaller. And you can do that. So let's scroll down here to Yoast SEO. So I don't remember what I said, something like top SEO provider in Charlotte. So that's going to be my focus keyword phrase. As you can see right now, I'm getting a red face, which is saying it's not good enough. You need to do a little bit more work. Scroll down here to edit. And I'm going to copy and paste that. And let's see, top SEO provider in Charlotte, North Carolina for your local business. So you see how it turned green, telling me that yes, Google likes that I have made the SEO title more specific and longer. But if I keep writing or nationally, see now it's saying, okay, that's too much. Google doesn't want your title to be this long. All right, and then take that information, scroll down, and you want to put it in the meta description. Now, as you can see, it's orange. So in the description, it should be longer. And this is telling you you need to write a little bit more. So let me just put a little bit more. Or national. Okay, so I can keep typing, but the green, this is what Google wants. So I'll put in, just going to put in my email too and see when it stops me. Okay, so now that's too much. Now, if you get to that and you think, oh, I really want that, maybe you can scoot back and not put a space somewhere, or change your sentence to where you've got the green. I'll try to get the green light. Scroll over here, tags. So I'll just put in keyword top SEO. Another tag might be Charlotte, North Carolina. Another one might be search engine optimization, or whatever the keywords are that people would search to find you. You separate it with a comma. Set featured image. I clicked on that button, and then I am going to go and choose the picture that I already uploaded into the post. Now, if you go up here, readability is okay, SEO is okay. You wonder, well, what did I do wrong? What am I missing? You can actually click on readability, and it will tell you what the problems are. This says not enough content, because I think I only added one sentence. And remember, it's good to add about 350, 400 words. So this says not enough content. And then everything else looks good. So, or transition words, and then it gives you an example of what some transition words are. So it will actually tell you how to get a green light. Now, don't worry if maybe the readability, some of you write a little bit more technically, especially the medical sites. So don't worry if that's not green, but you do want the SEO green. Once you click publish, oh, one more thing, you can go up. Let's see, you can have different categories. I'm going to click Best SEO. These are categories you can add. You can add another keyword, and you can actually go in here, and it used my title, but let's say I want to change it. So that changes it to SEO in there. And then scroll down, click publish, and the blog post will go live. Let me know if you have any questions about how to update or create a new blog post. Just email me and I'll be happy to answer the question. Thank you.